Hey guys, this is Rainbowloom's new Tropical Pop Kit. It's a super awesome kit. Comes with a lot of cool stickers, some instructions for you to read and try out. It also comes with this auto loom with the base that sits in the center of the band. You have lots of beads and charms. Charms are super cute, super cute. The bands, beautiful colors, great quality. You just stick it right in the middle and you can get started right away. Slide your beads on, clip it together with the easy clip that comes with it, and add your charms, and you have the cutest little bracelets. These are the charms that I chose, and here's my finished product. I think it turned out so cute. Here's the setup. You stick it right in the center, and you can start going right away. This kit is super cool. It is fun for adults, fun for kids. It'll be something great to grab for summer when your kids are on summer break, because summer break is definitely upon us. Anyways, check it out. Hope you like the video. Bye guys.